ATCH stock analysis price predictions news. In this quick and short 1 minute video, I'll show you exactly how I would trade and analyze. You know, I'm the only guy in this world that's done 47,000 videos like this over 5 years and actually documented them all. It's taken me 5 years. It's all on my YouTube channel. You can check it all out. My idea was very not on point. Like, yes, before then I absolutely called it out. I got a break even and a dub. Here's the proof. But then we ultimately got hit with the price not wanting to cooperate, and that's fine. You know, that's not always going to give me the rules. Welcome to trading, right? If that hurts you, then I mean, I guess it is what it is, right? Like, this trading is not for you. But like, currently it's a solid bearish market. The only thing that kind of bothers me is potentially if it starts breaking, it's a bearish range, right? For me to be bullish, it must break above 70 cents. And if it doesn't sort of give me the rules, then I guess I'm not gonna buy nor sell. So this is ultimately where I'm sitting at. Again, by no means is this a financial advice or anything. A very bearish one, by the way. And if you somehow, you know, if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails, insights, and tips, click the first link in the description. We'll be seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.